great product over here, I would like to share it with you. It's a ceiling fan with light from TCL store. This 52-inch ceiling fan is very nicely designed, provided with minimalistic and modern appearance. It also designed with two-tone reversible blades, so you can choose any color you prefer the best. It also features 6 fan speeds and a built-in light with 3 color temperatures: cool, warm, and natural. And it also designed with the adjustable brightness, so you can choose any combination you prefer the best. Besides that, it also features reverse mode, so it's perfectly suitable for summer and winter time. And it's designed with the timing function as well for 1, 4, and 8 hours. And it's very simple to operate by provided remote control. It also comes with the wall holder for your maximum convenience. And installation is very simple as well. It takes approximately 30 minutes. Just follow easy step-by-step instructions in the manual. 52-inch ceiling fan with light from TCL store is very nice. I love the quality. Installation is very simple and it provided with ultra quiet operation. It's definitely a great addition to a living room, bedroom, dining area, study room, or anywhere else you find it useful for. It also comes in 3 finishes, including white, black, and silver, so you can choose the one you prefer the best. I like it very much and I highly recommend it to you.